have about 10,000 students in the Champaign School District, of whom about 55% are classified as low income.
We are a pretty diverse audience in terms of race. About 35% of students classify as white, 35% as African American, 10 to 12% as Hispanic, and another 9% as Asian.
We are able to address about 200 to 250 kids every summer in various camps where they learn about Arduinos, about 3D printing, about making stuff by combining sort of sensors and the Internet of Things. And we try and keep the costs low, but still we land up pricing a 5-day workshop at about $100. And a kid who's getting free food at school, really their parents cannot afford these workshops. So what we're trying to do is make these workshops accessible for more kids in our community.